I used to visit all the very gay places, those come-what-may places, where one relaxes on the axis of the windmill to get the feel of life from chairs and cocktails. The girls I knew had sat and selling great faces with distinct traces that used to be there. You could see where they'd been washed away by too many through the day 12 o'clock tales. Then you came along with your siren song to tempt me to madness. I thought for a while that your poignant smile was tinged with the sadness of a great love for me. Oh yes, I was wrong again. I was wrong. Life is lonely again, and only last year everything seemed so sure. Now life is awful again, a truffle of hearts could only be a ball. Away in Paris could ease the rampant. All I care is to smile in spite of it. I'll forgive you, while yet you are still running inside my brain. Romance is mush, stifling those who strive. I'll live a lush life in some small